start introduces the alphabet. Now, if you take a look at the starter, this is a table of consonants, and this is the way that the alphabet is introduced. Can you read the first 5? Can you see it? A-E-I-O-U. Oh, we did that before. Okay, what are they?
Vowels.
Vowels. And then the next set of letters are B, C, D, G, P, T, V, and Z. Hey, why didn't I do it in order? I'll explain it in a few minutes. And the green letters are F, L, M, N, S, and X. And then we have J, K, H, Q, M, R, W, J, K. J, K is another set. And then H, Q, R, W, and Y is the fourth set of letters. And you're thinking, well, why did I do this? Well, I'll explain it, okay? We'll go into these first. Okay, can you read this? A-E-I-O-U. Okay, now the A-E-I-O-U is very, very important because of the fact that, as I said, it's in every letter, word. And there's a cute song to go with this, and it goes like this. A-E-I-O-U. Something missing? E. Okay, goes like this. A-E-I-O-U. Can you say that? A-E-I-O-U. 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 A-E-I. A-E-I-O-U. Okay, let's sing it. A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U. Isn't that a pretty song? Okay, it's also on the tape if we want to sing it one more time. And this is a Carolyn Graham. She wrote all the jingles and songs.
Lesson 5.
Can you see
The
it?
AEIOU song.
A-E-I-O-U. Again. A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U. Thank you. Now, what I want you to do is go like this and smile and say, ah! Ready? Ah! Good. But you have to smile and say, ah! Ah! Good. You know what this is? This is the sound of short A. Ah! 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 And I'm sorry if you're British or something, it might be a little bit different. But bear with me. American English, okay? Ah! 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 And go like this and say, eh! 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 You know what this is? Short E. Okay. And then go, eh! 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 Very, very lightly. If you go, eh! That's not short I. Go, eh! Just the air. Eh! I always tell my teachers to do it very sexy. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's the sound of short I. I'm sorry. And now do this. Go like this. Ah. 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 And that's the sound of short O. And then go like this. This is also just air. Yeah. Okay, you're pretty good. Can we do it again? Ah! Eh! Ah! each short vowels, right? So you go and the little cats have the gesture. And the reason why I do this is because of the fact that this is the way your mouth moves when you do it. Okay? Can you get into pairs? And one will go like this, and the other one will say it, and then change. Okay? Very quickly. Ready? You can stand up and do it. And when you finish, sit down. One will do the action, the other one will say it, and then vice versa. You can mix it up.
You say it.
In the Japanese language. So to get them to, don't have them say AEIOU, yeah, like that. Make sure that they do the English version. Okay, now, coming back to B, C, D, G, P, T, and V, and C. Why did I do this? This is really important for phonics because the map phonics teaches all the consonants in 4 different groups. And when you get the 4 different groups down, the children can learn phonics of all the basic consonant sounds in 4 lessons instead of 4 years. Okay? And the catch to this is that they have to know the name of the alphabet. Okay? If they don't know how to say the alphabet, then the phonics won't work. But if they know A to Z, every letter, and you drill them and everything, and they can say it, then you can go into this, and they will be able to figure out the phonics sound very, very easily. Okay, so we're going to just work on the B, C, D, G, P, T, V, and Z part now. Okay, so, can you say these letters? B, C, D, G, P, T, V, and Z. Can you hear something that is similar in each? They rhyme? Okay, let's say it slowly. Ready, go. B, C, D, G, P, T, Z. Can you hear the E sound? Yeah. How many of you can do subtraction? Can you subtract? Ha. This time we're going to subtract sounds. Okay, what's the common sound? E sound. Okay, so we're gonna, this is what we call the E group. That means that we're going to subtract the E sound from all the letters. A, how do you do that? Okay, so what's this? D. Which group is it? E group. Okay, because it has the E sound. Okay, D minus E is D. Yes, isn't that easy? And this is good because the kids can learn it by themselves and they don't have to ask mommy what's the sound of D. And mommy doesn't have a clue. So, you know, she's going to say, what did you learn in school, you know? So, if they know the letter D, and they know that it's the E group, and they subtract it, it's done, right? What are some words?
Dog.
Dog, good. One point over here, dog.
Dog.
Dogs. That's almost the same. Okay.
Door.
Door. Desk.
Donut.
Donut. There you go. That's 3 points over here. Yay. So we have desk, dog, dinosaur, and the other kinds of things. Okay, if we do it with B, it's B minus E because it's an E group, right? So B minus E is B, B, B. And what are some of the B words?
Oh.
Yeah. So, like that. The next group, the FBL group is the E group, and you subtract L minus E. L, right. Minus E is L, L, L. And M minus E is M, 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 like that. So this is how we can do our subtraction, and it's in this book, but you have to. And also what we do in Starter is teach both the capital letters and the small letters at the same time because they're the same sound, right? All it is the writing is just a little bit different. But that's very good because Japanese kids can relate to that. They have hiragana and katakana, right? And A is the same as katakana no A, so they can, it's the same sound.